fan myself. You look the best.
You looked better than you sounded, I can tell you that.
I don't know, that felt pretty good.
Let it all out, wow. Let it all out.
Yeah, you got it.
That was like right on yeah.
That one's definitely going on YouTube. Who's the next question? That'll be up tomorrow. Tonight. During cocktail hour, I'll be like, oh yeah, where's that video alive?
That shot hit the shield. It felt like it messed up the headshot.
On which one?
The headshot that you threw.
Yeah, I hit all shield.
Okay.
Yeah, I hit like this corner right here, and it deflected off and hit your rim. I didn't hit anything else.
You good there?
Yep. Good. That was good.